and I think he was a little tipsy. But anyway.
So Bang Chan calls me out for being tipsy. First of all, Bang Chan, yes, I was tipsy. a little bit.
Oh yeah, no, so cause you know, like even these days I've been watching, you know, everyone's reaction to not only our videos but like our, you know, the whole album itself is right. And then I saw wait, I forgot who it was. I think it was. I forgot who it was. This is a really funny guy.
You know, I'd be funny sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
But anyway, he was listening to the album, and I think he was a little tipsy. But anyway.
First of all,
hey, do I know you?
I might have been tipsy, but during my live streams on Twitch, I usually either like, you know, drink a little bit, a little hard seltzer, or like, you know, a little something, just, you know, up the mood a little bit while listening to an amazing album.
He listened to Waiting for Us, and he was like, oh, it really reminds me of like a church song.
Bro, it has the same chords and like production as like a Christian song almost. It's nothing wrong with it, but it reminds me of like a praise song. Because in the...
It really reminds me of like a church song. And it's true, because I don't know, for me, because I grew up, you know, going to church in Australia, and then there's a lot of good church songs out there as well, right? And I think a lot of the inspiration with the melodies and stuff just came from that. So I think that's how I think that's where he got it.
Yeah, I did. I grew up in a Christian school from fourth grade to 12th, so I graduated. So every day we had chapel, or a worship hour where we all just sing praises and just like Christian songs. So that's why it reminded me of it.
But, oh wait, what was it again? Wait, let me look. You know, there's so many reactions.
There are a lot of reactors out there nowadays. I started like in 2010, and the amount of K-pop reactors that keep on piling up is kind of crazy. I mean, I'm still surprised I'm still doing this, to be honest. I just enjoy the music.
Oh, it was JRE. Yeah, it was JRE. Yeah, this one was so good. I watched this whole thing. Yeah, I think these always will keep on dreaming. Dreamers? Yeah, I think I'm a dreamer.
Bang Chan from Stray Kids is a dreamer. Welcome.
Yeah, just all your reactions, so good.
Shout out to Bang Chan. He didn't have to actually do that at all. To be honest, I don't even know if any of the Stray Kids like members watch my videos. And then looking back, I've done some sus stuff. That made my day. That made my morning. I listen. Thank you. Thank you guys for sharing and always liking the videos too. That really does help. This is from my Twitch live stream. I do Twitch now more. And yeah, again, thank you Bang Chan for the shout out. Didn't have to do that, but thank you so much.
Keep on dreaming. Dreamers? Yeah, I think I'm a dreamer.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.